stay tuned.
I think I'm wearing the same dress from a few weeks ago.
You are. But we washed it. So if anybody's concerned about that, we do have a washing machine. You can actually wash laundry.
Oh, wow. Send me clothes.
Yes.
I need clothes.
If you want to spot...
I don't like to shop. I'm sorry. I really don't. I hate shopping. I just want somebody to send me clothes that fits my physique.
Mm-hmm.
I hate shopping. I am not a shopper. Never have been. Okay, let's get started. This is a big one. No, this is not what I want to do. Okay. Well, I want to do like 4. Let's see if this does it. No. Oh my god, this is horrible. This is a big cabbage, babe.
That's what she said.
This is way bigger than I thought it was. It is seriously got some stuff that I'm going to be saving for later.
Mm-hmm.
Because I just want cabbage steaks. I don't need all this. We're going to put that in a bag.
So you usually did smaller one.
Well, this one's huge. This is a huge steak. Look at that. Yummo. I'm going to make mine different.
Yeah, this is a lot bigger than the last one you used.
It is so, this one's huge. I would have been able to just do 4 steaks if it was about this big. No, these were all going to say, that's for later. That's for another dinner. Yep. Yes, it is. Another dinner. I just wanted steaks. Wait.
Move the fork out of the way. And Bella's over here panting.
I'm about to put it back in the way. Since you wanted to be so, controlling. This fork.
Yeah, that fork.